Hello, my name is Kate White, and I am the founder and the director for the Center of Pre and Perinatal Programs and the founder and the director of Pre and Perinatal Healing Online. It's my pleasure to welcome you to our newest series, Working with Adults Who Have Earliest Wounds, a Prenatal and Perinatal Somatic Perspective. We have invited 5 practitioners who work in the field of pre and perinatal somatics to help share with you tools, skills, and their approach to helping with adults who have earliest wounds. I'll be starting us off on May 3rd with my talk entitled Heal the Roots so the Tree Can Thrive, Working with Adults Who Have Earliest Trauma. Over my many years as a practitioner and an educator, I have often likened humans to trees and how the foundations of our health, our roots in essence, start prenatally and with birth and right after birth. So I'm going to be sharing with you some 8 principles, my own basic principles of this paradigm. And then I have 3 maps that I use when I'm training practitioners. I have the basic physiology and how that shows up and how our wounding shows up in early layers. And then I have 5 layers that I like to talk about when it comes to helping to understand how I weave together different places in our healing, whether it's addressing our wounding or our health in our system, or deeper mysteries that are still present in our bodies. And then I have a map, which I call the territory, the map in the territory, which really lays out some of our layers of experience from a pre and perinatal somatic perspective. And finally, I'm going to list some of our somatic practices. These are some basic tools. We won't be able to do a lot of experience in 90 minutes, but I'm going to give you an overview that will help set the stage for our other speakers. We have some experts, including Allison Green-Barton, who's a legacy teacher for Ray Castellino. We have Anna Chitty, who has her own approach of working with what she calls the blueprint. She has brought us so much understanding in this field. And then we have Eileen Sendry and Kristen Sipley, both of whom are partnering with Myrna Martin and other practitioners to bring more skills and training. And so there's a lot for us to offer you. We welcome you. We'll be starting in May. So please come and we'll see you then.